Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best stocking stuffers is probably one of the most exciting parts of the holiday season, transforming ordinary socks into treasure troves of joy and surprise for children of all ages. And this year, we've curated a list of fantastic finds that go beyond the usual candy and small toys, focusing on items that spark creativity, encourage learning, and provide lasting entertainment, ensuring that every little surprise pulled from the stocking brings a genuine smile and a memorable moment, making the holiday morning truly magical for everyone involved. Number 5. Educational Insights GeoSafari Kidnoculars. Introducing Kidnoculars, the sturdy and portable binoculars designed just for toddlers. They're perfect for sparking a sense of adventure and a love for discovery. Encourage screen-free outdoor play with these amazing binoculars. Use them for bird watching in the backyard, exploring at the park, or even stargazing on camping trips. These binoculars feature an extra-large eyepiece with 2x magnification for easy viewing. The breakaway neck strap ensures safe and simple carrying, making exploration frustration-free. These nature toys help children develop an early interest in various scientific fields. They're a fantastic way to introduce preschoolers and kindergartners to the wonders of the world around them. Looking for a great gift? These outdoor exploration toys are ideal for birthdays, holidays, or Easter. They're a fun way to get young explorers excited about the outdoors. What we like? If you have a young explorer who loves the outdoors, these are perfect. They are designed for little hands and encourage a love for nature. If you're looking for a way to get your kids off screens and into the backyard or park, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. The product is very durable and has held up well to frequent use. The design is very user-friendly and easy to operate. It has a unique feature that sets it apart from other similar products on the market. Number 4. Wikki Stix Doodler Travel Toy. Looking for a way to keep your kids entertained on the go? This reusable sensory activity is perfect for airplanes, road trips, and any time you need quiet entertainment. Its compact design makes it easy to take anywhere for mess-free fun. These amazing sticks are made from wax and yarn, sticking together with just a touch. They easily peel off and can be reused without any sticky residue or cleanup. Say goodbye to markers and crayons. The soft, bendable texture is great for sensory play, helping to improve focus and creativity. It's a wonderful quiet toy alternative for screen-free engagement at home or while traveling. Children can build anything they imagine, from flat designs to simple 3D creations. This helps develop fine motor skills, hand-eye coordination, and creative confidence. An idea booklet is included for extra inspiration. These colorful sticks are made in the USA and are safety tested for children aged 3 and up. They are a favorite among parents, teachers, and therapists for a fun and educational activity. What we like? For parents seeking a quiet, creative activity for travel or downtime, these are ideal. They stick with fingertip pressure, making them mess-free and easy to clean up. If you need a way to keep little hands busy and minds engaged without screens, especially on the go, consider this. What people say. The product is very easy to assemble and use. It is made of durable material and seems like it will last a long time. The design is very cute and attractive to children. Number 3. Purple Ladybug Scratch Art Notes. Discover the magic of our scratch art notes. Hidden beneath a black coating is a vibrant rainbow, ready to be revealed with every stroke. It's a fun and engaging way to create. Each set includes 150 mini notes, perfect for messages, doodles, or unique art. They come with stylus pens, making it easy to start creating right away. These notes are perfect for kids' crafts, thank you cards, to-do lists, or even games like tic-tac-toe. They are ideal for summer activities, parties, and holidays. Not only are they fun to use, but they also come in a cute desktop dispenser with a stylus holder. The paper is thick, high-quality cardstock, measuring 3.5 by 3.5 inches. Looking for a unique gift? This scratch art set is beautifully packaged and makes a wonderful present for anyone who loves to create. It's a thoughtful surprise for any occasion. What we like? If you're looking for a creative and engaging art supply that offers endless possibilities, this is it. These notes are perfect for doodling, writing messages, or creating unique art. If you want a fun, hands-on activity for kids that also doubles as a way to send special notes, this is a great pick. What people say. The product is great and works well. I love the design and features of this product. The product is very durable and has a long lifespan. Number 2. 50 PCS Fidget Poppers Pack for Kids. Introducing a massive pack of 50 fidget toys, perfect for kids aged 8 to 12. These are ideal for party favors, stocking stuffers, and classroom rewards. This set includes a wide array of sensory toys designed to keep hands busy and minds calm. They are great for children with autism and ADHD. These quiet fidget toys are excellent for use in therapy sessions to help calm children and manage stress. They can also be used as rewards in the classroom. Our jumbo fidget box offers a huge assortment of toys perfect for piñata fillers, carnival prizes, or just everyday fun. They are pocket-sized and great for relieving stress. Make your next party a hit with these fantastic fidget toys. They are ideal for goodie bags, stocking stuffers, and gifts for kids of all ages. These fidget toys make amazing prizes for school, carnivals, and parties. They are the perfect gift for boys, girls, and teenagers looking for fun and stress relief. What we like. This bulk pack is perfect for classrooms, party favors, or just keeping a variety of sensory toys on hand. They offer different ways to fidget, helping to calm and focus. If you need a large quantity of small, engaging toys for prizes, goodie bags, or to help manage sensory needs, this is an excellent value. What people say. The product works great and is very durable. The design is sleek and modern, and it fits perfectly in my hand. It has a lot of useful features that make it easy to use. Number 1. Kangaroo 3-pack Build a Snowman Kit. Get ready for some frosty fun with this exciting snowman building kit. It's perfect for kids and adults alike to enjoy during the winter season. Each set comes with everything you need to create your own mini snowman. Moldable foam putty, eyes, arms, a carrot nose, and a smile are all included for easy crafting. Made from safe, non-toxic foam, this kit provides hours of tactile fun. The material is lightweight, reusable, and odorless, ensuring a great crafting experience. Ideal for Christmas parties, classroom activities, or just a fun DIY project at home. It's a fantastic way to keep everyone entertained during holiday gatherings. This easy-to-use air-dry clay kit allows you to build a snowman that lasts. Let it dry for 24 hours to create lasting memories and enjoy your creation. Looking for the perfect gift? This kit makes an excellent stocking stuffer, birthday present, or classroom prize. It's a fun and educational DIY gift for any occasion. What we like. If you want a fun, hands-on winter craft that kids can do indoors or out, this is a great option. The moldable putty is easy to work with and allows for creative snowman building. If you're looking for a festive stocking stuffer that provides hours of creative play and results in a lasting keepsake, this is a wonderful choice. What people say. The product is well made and durable, with bright colors that kids love. It's a great way to keep kids entertained for hours, promoting creativity and imagination. The design is unique and engaging, making it a perfect gift for any child. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.